Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and security. Here we have to scroll down to find the privacy option, and as you can see in advanced at the very top we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. At the very bottom here we've got clear credentials option, so just tap and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.